Here are the top strategies for how to use temptation bundling to build any habit that nobody is talking about. Number 1 might surprise you. Strategy 1, the 5-minute start. When you feel resistance toward how to use temptation bundling to build any habit, commit to just 5 minutes. Once you start, momentum takes over. Strategy 2, batch your efforts. Instead of spreading how to use temptation bundling to build any habit throughout the day, dedicate one focused block. Your brain will thank you. Strategy 3, use visual cues. Put reminders for how to use temptation bundling to build any habit in places you cannot miss. Your environment should trigger the right behavior. Strategy 4, track your streak. Every day you work on how to use temptation bundling to build any habit, mark it on a calendar. The longer the streak, the harder it is to break. Strategy 5, reward yourself. After completing how to use temptation bundling to build any habit, do something enjoyable. This creates a positive feedback loop in your brain. Bonus strategy, teach someone else about how to use temptation bundling to build any habit. Teaching forces you to understand it deeply and locks the knowledge in. The biggest mistake people make with how to use temptation bundling to build any habit? Overthinking the start. Analysis paralysis kills more dreams than failure ever will. Pick just one of these strategies and try it today. You do not need all of them. You just need to start with one. Which strategy are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for daily habit building and self-improvement content. See you tomorrow.